So we've been asked a few times by our viewers and customers of how did we get the idea for Architectural Mall, the history of it. So Architectural Mall is family owned. It was started by my father back in 2001. We immigrated from the former Soviet Union during the collapse of communism. And while we were coming here, we went through Austria, Italy, and we saw these beautiful homes, all this beautiful architecture, and land in basically Cabrini Green, downtown Chicago, one of the ugliest cities back then. While working two jobs, my dad came up with this idea to create this synthetic material and started fabricating it in his garage and slowly grew out of that. In 2000, late 2000, he was building his own house and he had to go to like 20 different vendors for kitchen cabinets, for doors and trim, and all this other nonsense that was necessary to build the house. And he got this concept of an architectural mall. So that is how the name was born. And back then, we actually did sell kitchen cabinets, wrought iron railings, millwork, and everything needed for an entire house. We still do to some extent, but our primary focus became columns and balustrades and fiberglass cornice, cupolas, domes, more of the finishing touches. So me and my brother took over around 2005, 2006 and grew the business from basically local to now we're an international business. We sell and ship product all over the world. That's basically how we started this. It's still family owned. My dad is still heavily involved running the production aspect. Me and my brother are still heavily involved in growing and marketing and product development. So that is how Architectural Mall was born, and we're proud of it. Every time we go somewhere on a trip, it's so much fun for my kids to see projects that we've actually supplied material for. So that's how Architectural Mall was born.